What the f though? Where the love go? 5, 4, 3, 2, I let one go. Wow, get the f.
Let's see, where is the damn store? Is it right here? Shit, I done forgot where the damn store is. Roots. Over in Hoover, Cherokee State. Now I have to carry all this stuff up 2 flights of stairs. Like, that crock pot has been in my trunk since Christmas because who the fuck's gonna carry that shit up there? That's why I need a man. That's why I need a man. As far as like groceries, I just be buying. I like think of meals that I'm gonna cook for like a week or two, and then I just buy stuff for that. So I'm just gonna show y'all a few of the things that I buy on the regular.
I always make Alfredo. I'm always making Alfredo. So I get the 4 cheese. This is by Prado. 4 cheese, and then I get the Alfredo sauce kind. I like clam chowder. I just happened to try this one day and I freaking loved it. Like, I love clam chowder anyways, so I was scared to try one in a can, but this one is good, by Campbell's New England clam chowder. I eat that. I got cream of mushroom just to like have in my kitchen. I always get cream of mushroom, cream of celery, cream of chicken, canned tuna to make tuna salad. I get the chicken of the sea solid white in water. I got chili stuff for chili dogs. I got stuff for Chicago style hot dogs. I got manwich for sloppy joes. Some Lunchables that I just eat randomly. Stuff to make tacos because I make tacos every week. I got pizzas. I got cereal. I got some rice. You know, the bag rice in a bag, minute rice. I got honey buns. I got chips. I got a bunch of condiments like tartar sauce, ketchup, ranch. I went through some ranch, honey. I got like 3 pounds of ground beef because I eat ground beef a lot. I don't like getting my meat from Walmart, but sometimes if I'm broke and if I don't feel like going to the other store, then my meat is going to have to come from Walmart. Sirloin tip thin. This is not the first time. I've had it before from another store though. So this time I got a pack from Walmart. There's like 4 slices in here. I usually just bake these in the oven. Got some ribeye steak. I got juice. I got a case of water. I got chicken wings, chicken tenders, frozen vegetables. I got these Tyson strips to try in my air fryer. Last time I had like the plain kind. This time I got the buffalo. I got stuff to make a salad. I got shrimp for Alfredo. I got breakfast meat, Kaneka sausage. I bought the Grill Master's steak, Montreal steak seasoning. I got that to try, and I got this one to try. I think that's called mesquite. I don't damn know. Then I got this garlic parmesan wing seasoning. I thought it looked good, so I'm gonna just try it, and I'm gonna throw some wings in the air fryer. These cookies, I always get these for whatever season it is. You know, like they have the Thanksgiving ones and the Christmas ones, and they got the Valentine ones out now. So, yep, that's pretty much it. That shit cost me, all this shit cost me $200.
So, let me show y'all 2 other things that I had bought today when y'all know when I went to Cherokee Scrubs for All. I got the Infinity scrub. So, and then they have the infinity symbol on the back, but I like these. They're like, I don't know what kind of material to describe. It says polyester and spandex, so I guess polyester and spandex. I've got these in red, pink, blue, navy, and now this one. So yeah, I just want to show y'all the type of scrub pants I buy. Where I work at, we don't have to wear scrub tops, so I don't really buy scrub tops. I just buy pants and we wear t-shirts. We don't really have to carry much, so because all of our stuff that we usually use is in our patients' rooms already. I wear a size small. This is a size small, and it even has this at the foot so that you can tighten it up. You can make it like skinny leg if you want. And then I bought this dry shampoo to try, because I got these braids in last damn week. I just got them last week, and so I have dandruff, and like it's already popping, honey. Like the dandruff is already popping through, and I'm like, bruh, I ain't even had these bitches in for a week, so the dandruff is not gonna let me be great. So I'm like, let me go try some dry shampoo. This is gonna be my first time ever trying it. But Batiste, I don't know how you pronounce this shit, but this is the kind that I got. It's the hydrating kind. They had different kinds. This one's hydrating dry shampoo. Supposed to be invisible, you know what I'm saying? I guess you just spray it on there. I don't really know how it works. I gotta read the instructions, and I'm gonna do it. Y'all wanna see me do it? Should I do it tonight on this video? So we're gonna see if this work. Dang it. They had a bunch of different dry shampoos in Walmart, but I ain't really know which one to buy. I ain't do my research, so I'm just like, we're just gonna try one. We're just gonna try one. That's it. That's it. Shake it up and spray, bitch. Shake it up and spray. So that's what we gonna do. I done shook it up. Hold it 12 inches away, which is like the size of a ruler. So I'm just gonna guesstimate, and I'm just gonna start damn spraying. Okay. Oh! They said it was gonna be damn invisible. I sprayed it too close. Look! Oh my god! Bro, I'm gonna have to take my whole fucking hair down. What the hell? They weren't lying when they said hold it away. That shit don't damn work. What the hell? This shit is not fucking working. My scalp is white, y'all. Is this shit gonna come out? It's white. Let me try rubbing it in. I done about fuck y'all. I'm finna be mad as hell. I knew I shouldn't have did this shit. It ain't damn hydrate. This some white folks shit. Sorry. Excuse me. But stuff like this don't work for black people. I'm gonna try massaging it in like it said. Massage the roots. Massage the roots. Man, fuck all that. It feel like it smells good. Maybe I should keep going. Dandruff, you just gotta use good old soap and water. I mean, shampoo and water, I guess. Trying to keep it away because apparently when I did it like this, too close, that shit was white as snow. So these braids gonna have to come out in a week. I'm gonna have to wear it in a bun every fucking day. You know, when your hairstyle get old and you gotta start wearing that shit in a bun every day. All in all, I think I made it worse. It feels fresh, but it don't look fresh, honey. I don't know why I thought the shit was just, the dandruff just was gonna magically disappear. I don't know. I might try some oil in it tomorrow. So I'm gonna close this vlog out right here, you guys. That's all I have for you. There was an epic failure. Y'all probably got a good laugh out of this shit because I don't know what I was thinking. And I'm just gonna have to wet wash it, regular wash it with my braids in. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Comment any suggestions below of what y'all want to see, what I should do as far as like content wise. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks.